on and shift our focus to what's happening in Tamil Nadu ahead of assembly elections there. Seat sharing talks are underway and DMK, we are being told, has held crucial talks with MMK on seat sharing. MMK has said that the party has sought 5 seats from the DMK. Listen in to this. Okay, we'll go across to, the reactions that we've got for you in just a bit. But before that, let me go across to my colleague Dharini joining us live right now for more on this. Dharini, the seat sharing talks have already begun. Can you tell us what happened between DMK and MMK during their seat sharing talks? Dharini?
Well, since yesterday, the DMK has been holding seat sharing talks with its alliance partners. Yesterday, the Indian Union Muslim League representatives, they met DMK's negotiation committee and they demanded 5 seats. But what we're given to understand is that the DMK is only ready to give them 2 seats. And, in fact, today, the Manidhanai Makkal Katchi and Vaiko's MDMK, they are going to hold talks with the DMK's negotiation committee for, seat share. In fact, as far as the Manidhanai Makkal Katchi is concerned, they contested in 2 seats in the 2021 assembly elections and they won both the seats, and this time they're looking forward to have 5 seats, but the DMK is not agreeing for 5 seats. They might again give 2 seats is what sources tell us. So this is the case as far as the Manidhanai Makkal Katchi is concerned. And in terms of MDMK, the talks are yet to happen. Probably by this afternoon, we'll be getting a clear picture in connection with MDMK. And of course, as you rightly said, yesterday a crucial meeting happened between KC Venugopal and Chief Minister M.K. Stalin at the latest residence. And this meeting went on for about 45 minutes. And during the meeting, through sources, what we're given to understand is that KC Venugopal delivered an envelope from Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi to Mr. M.K. Stalin. So this envelope carried a confidential message that Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi wanted to send to M.K. Stalin is what sources tell us. And of course, we've been seeing how for the past 2 months, the DMK and the Congress, they've been having a lot of difference of opinion. In fact, the Congress has been demanding a share in power from the DMK in case if their alliance wins the assembly elections in 2026. But the DMK seems pretty uncomfortable with this demand. So it is in this context, yesterday a meeting between KC Venugopal and M.K. Stalin has happened, but this meeting was pretty inconclusive. No decision was arrived at during this meeting as far as the number of seats.
So what's interesting is that with just weeks to go for Tamil Nadu Assembly polls, the seat sharing talks is something that's currently underway. Seat sharing, formula is being finalized by DMK with its alliance partner. We told you about MMK. Dharini was telling us about the Congress party as well. We'll get you more details on that one in just a bit. Meanwhile, in fact, there was also a conversation with the Indian Union Muslim League, and the representatives held seat sharing talks and demanded that 5 seats be allotted to them for the upcoming elections. Listen in.
On behalf of IUML, we are represented to the DMK leadership to allot us 5 seats. That is our demand.
What was the response from DMK committee?
They have said their own views. We have listened to their views. And we said, we will consider what you said. We will come later.
And as Dharini was telling us, there were conversations with Congress netas as well. Congress leader KC Venugopal met Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. According to sources, Venugopal conveyed a message from Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, and Rahul Gandhi during the meeting. Seat sharing arrangements were also discussed as alliance talks gather pace. Let's go across to my colleague Dharini, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Dharini, so 5 seats have been demanded by MMK, 5 by IUML, but any more details as to what exactly has the High Command sent in that envelope that you were talking about to M.K. Stalin, the DMK chief?
Well, sources tell us that Congress is in fact looking forward to contesting in more number of seats compared to 2021 this time. In fact, in 2021, the Congress contested in 25 seats and they were able to win 18 seats. But this time, they want more number of seats. They want more than 30 seats is what sources tell us. But the DMK is a bit reluctant to give additional seats to the Congress party because, at the moment, the DMK alliance has also become very large. Many new parties have joined the alliance. For example, if we take Kamal Hassan's Makkal Needhi Mayam or late leader Vijayakant's DMDK, both these part of the DMK alliance in 2021. But now they become part of the DMK alliance and the DMK needs to give them a share in seats too. So considering the fact that the DMK has to accommodate all the parties and to satisfy, the DMK needs to satisfy all the parties, they've told the Congress party that they'll not be able to give any additional seats this time. But again, as I told, both the parties, they've not arrived at conclusion at the moment. The talks are still on the surface level, and in fact, the DMK's negotiation committee has not yet invited Congress to hold negotiation talks.
Right.
So yesterday, the meeting between KC Venugopal and Chief Minister M.K. Stalin was more of a courtesy call, but the DMK's official negotiation committee for the elections under TR Balu has not invited the Congress party yet. So when that invitation comes in and when that meeting takes place, we'll get a clear picture.
Thank you very much, Dharini. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story. Let's now